Precision welding requires more than just a welding arc. It demands stability, accurate positioning, and precise motion control. The Mini Flexi Hose Welder _2 is engineered with a robust motion system designed to deliver consistent, repeatable weld quality for stainless steel flexible hose assemblies. The stopper assembly ensures accurate positioning of the hose or connector before welding begins. By creating a consistent reference point, the stopper guarantees that every component is placed at the exact welding location. The pneumatic stopper securely holds the assembly in place, preventing movement and ensuring reliable alignment throughout the welding process. The rotary axis enables smooth and controlled rotation of the hose or connector during welding. This rotation allows the welding torch to create a continuous and uniform weld around the circumference of the component. Designed for stability and precision, the rotary system supports rotational speeds of up to 10 revolutions per minute, ensuring consistent weld penetration and seam quality. Its large bore design also provides flexibility for handling different hose sizes and assemblies. The X-axis provides linear movement along the horizontal direction of the system. This axis allows precise positioning of the welding torch relative to the joint. By adjusting the torch location accurately along the X-axis, the system ensures that the weld bead is placed exactly where it is required for consistent and reliable welding results. Working together with the X-axis, the Y-axis enables precise lateral positioning of the welding torch. This motion allows the system to align the torch accurately with the welding joint, even when working with different hose diameters or connector configurations. Fine positional control improves weld consistency, ensuring proper heat distribution and optimal weld penetration during every welding cycle. The Z-axis controls the vertical movement of the welding torch. Maintaining the correct torch height is critical for stable arc performance and consistent weld quality. The motorized Z-axis allows quick and precise adjustment of the torch height based on hose diameter and welding requirements, ensuring optimal welding conditions for every application. Together, the stopper, rotary axis, and the X, Y, and Z motion systems form the precision control platform of the Mini Flexi Hose Welder _2. Each component is engineered to deliver stability, accurate positioning, and repeatable welding performance. The result is a highly controlled welding environment that improves productivity while ensuring consistent weld quality. Mini Flexi Hose Welder _2, designed for precision, built for industrial reliability.